How to track time manually. Task panel. Within Task Details, you will find the Manually Log Time button. Clicking on the stopwatch icon will open a menu where you can choose a date to enter time spent on the task. If any of the dates has a red indicator, it means that the time that was tracked that day was too low in relation to the daily hours specified for the user. When tracking time, you can do it manually or opt for the shortcuts. You may also include a note. Click Accept to save the changes. Search bar. From the main COR search bar at the top right, you can easily find the task you are working on. You will find the Manually Log Time option on the far right. Actions. In COR, tracking time is quick and easy. You will find the Manually Log Time button in the header, which is located on the top left. Whereas in each of the tasks and subtasks that make up the projects, time tracking methods are located on the right. Within the Tasks module, you will also find these actions, either in the Tasks or My Tasks section. Gantt Chart. In the Gantt Chart view, you will see each user along with their assigned tasks. Click on a specific task and select the Track Hours option to access the menu, where you can insert the date and time worked manually.